Hello everyone, I just want to do a quick update on Kaspa. The latest price action suggests that we just broke resistance and now it became support. So if you can see that line, this line at 2.2 cents, been tested and broken a couple of times here back in March 28th. Broke to the upside here and reaching an all-time high of 4.2. That was April the 2nd, 4.2 cents. Since then, a lot of profit taking has been happening. See all these red lower highs. These are a series of lower highs. And guess what? We just broke that lower high. Now this is a higher high on June 15. We touched that resistance level again, once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we touched the resistance level, and we just broke it yesterday or today actually. Yeah, this is just today. So we broke resistance and now this is the new support. Since last year, what I've been doing is I've been putting these circles on higher highs, right? These green circles. So you can see these green circles coincides with the Google Trends that I always follow to see what's going on in terms of people interest over time. This is worldwide. Past 12 months, just the term Kaspa. September 18, between 18 and 24, November, end of November, March 26, between February 26 and March 4, and then the all-time high here between March 26 and April 1. That was the highest interest ever. And if you look at the price, that coincides with, here, April 3rd. So, and all these higher highs here, it coincides with that chart. September, end of November, March 4th, and then the all-time high. So since then, a lot of profit taking has been going on. I'm not one of them. These are like people more for the shorter term. They take profit. I keep holding Kaspa. I do believe in the long term. This is such a unique opportunity, I believe. There's so much going on. So many exchanges are accepting Kaspa. And we just broke resistance. So what can we expect from here, right? That's the question. Well, I'm gonna keep holding regardless, right? But what I tend to do is when these events happen, let me show you one of the Elliott wave Fibonacci levels, how we could estimate a Fibonacci ratio for wave 3, which is the impulsive one, right? So if we go back here, let's see if we can measure this trend base. I'm gonna just assume we just define a new wave here. We're defining a new wave. So let's take a look at what kind of levels can we expect from here. So usually if you see Elliott wave 3 is related to wave 1 by one of the following. It's either 1.6 of wave 1, 1.6 times, 2.6 times, or 4.25. So this tool already calculates for us. So if we expand this, let's look at the wave 3 kind of. This is wave 1, wave 2, and then projected, right? The projection. So if we just project a 1.6, which is typical 1.6 of wave 1, that will put us of 3.3 cents. That will be right there. 2.61, that will be 4.2 cents right there. And that will coincide with the almost all-time high. So I believe we can reach that on a wave 3, and then if we break, we can go even higher, right? 3.6 is 5.1 cents, or 4.23 is 5.6 cents. So that will be something like this if that happens, right? Let's see. Let's do this. That will be something like this, like that, right? And then a wave 4 and 5. So I'm not gonna project this because we don't know, but these are like possible targets. I'm gonna keep an eye on this chart on the price action. Now I do wanna point out that I've seen that a lot of ASICs are coming into the market, so we gotta see how's that gonna affect. I think that's one of the reasons why the price action it went down in the recent month, and now that the market absorbed all those news, I don't know, I'm not sure how the GPUs will exist in this market, especially you see this ASICs, look at the this is hash rate.no. Look at the Bitmain 8 miner E9. So this I'm sorry, that's for ETC. Let me find Kaspa. Here it is, KS3, right? That's the ASIC. I couldn't even believe it. It's 3100 watts. Revenue is 2900 in per day, and profit is 2932. So I'm not sure how's that even possible, but do we even have prices here? Probably we do. Mine shop, let's take a look and see. The N miner KS3, 35,729 euros. So it's even more, 40,000 probably dollars, US dollars. So that's a beast. That's a lot of money. So not sure how is that gonna play. I have my GPUs mining Kaspa. Probably I'm gonna turn them off. Right now I have a, let's see, I have a 6600 XT. Let's see, 6600 XT here. Let's see, it's probably making, I have six GPUs right there in one miner, in one rig. They make 0.02 cents per GPU per day, so not much. It's pretty much net, right? So at least I'm not losing money, but it's just acquiring more Kaspa. So we'll see. I'll keep an eye. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna read this. I found this article. Let me show you this read. Introducing Kaspa, the smarter, better, faster blockchain that's not a blockchain. This is I think is the author is Nathaniel Crossing-Shield. So he decided to write a book about Kaspa. So I think this is gonna be pretty interesting. The book of Kaspa, pretty interesting read. I'll let you guys know my comments. I'm gonna be reading this and see all the chapters there. This is medium.com. So pretty interesting book. It was noted here on the Twitter as well. I found it there. Let's say here. Oh, here, this is pretty good. These are all the exchanges that now accept Kaspa per the Twitter account. And then I found this here, introducing the book of Kaspa, work in progress book by our very own Bubblegum LTNG. So I'm gonna be reading that and providing you guys comments. Looks like interesting for me. All right. Anyway, that's it for this update. I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep mining or buying Kaspa. This is a great. It has a lot of potential. Certainly, this project. Let me know what you guys think. What you are doing with Kaspa, and I see you in the next one. Thank you.